Some English speakers try very hard to follow when Pidgin English is being spoken because most Pidgin English words are from English, although they can be left at their wits' end when the conversation starts taking a different route. Welcome to BDMP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. If you're not familiar with Pidgin English or Nigerian Pidgin English more specifically, you can get confused when you hear these expressions. Cast, catch trips, or catch cruise. No book, get money, get belle, or carry belle. Clean nyash, carry weight. Sweet die, jam wahala, enter wahala. Job person or job person. Get sense, get sense. Look face, look face. Belle full, belle full. Borrow leg, borrow leg. Chop wowo, chop wowo. Make mouth, make mouth. Shake body, shake body. Cap water, cap water. Hole inside or hold her side. No be small thing, no be small thing. Leave story, leave story. Now let's take them one after the other alongside with explanations and example. The first one, cast, means to spoil, fail, go wrong, or get damaged. For example, it don't cast. It has gone wrong. Catch trips or catch cruise, to entertain oneself at the expense of another person. For example, shey na me you dey take catch cruise, abi? I'm the one you're using to entertain yourself, right? No book, to be clever. That guy no book, oh. That guy is very clever. Get money, to be rich. Women no dey follow man wey no get money. Women don't roll with men that are not rich. Get belle or carry belle, which means to be pregnant. Example, Carol don't get belle. Caroline is pregnant. Another example, your wife get belle. Is your wife pregnant? Clean nyash, to belittle someone or to use someone. Example, she just dey use you clean nyash. She's just using you. Carry weight, fat, big, or very important. That new contract, carry weight, oh. That new contract is very important. Sweet, die, very delicious, interesting, or entertaining. Naija jollof rice, sweet, die. Nigerian jollof rice is very delicious. Jam wahala, to get into trouble or to meet your match as far as trouble is concerned. You don't jam wahala today. You've gotten into trouble today. Enter wahala is the same as to be in trouble. It can be used in the same way as jam wahala. Enter one trouser, to slug something out. For example, you and me go enter one trouser. You and I will slug it out. Job person, to dupe someone or play a fast one on someone. You hear say them job John last week. Did you hear that John was duped last week? Get sense, to be smart or wise. You know, get sense. You're not smart or wise. Look face, to show respect. You need to look face before you talk. You need to show some respect before you talk. Belle full, to be satisfied regarding food. I don't belle full. I am full or satisfied. Borrow leg means to run. Example, why you dey borrow leg? Who dey pursue you? Why you running? Who's after you? Chop wawa means ugly. Oh boy, that babe chop wawa die. Dude, that babe is very ugly. Make mouth means to boast. No mind him. He just dey make mouth. Don't mind him. He's just boasting. Shake body, do something good like give someone money. My guy, shake body nah. Dude, give me some money. Cap water, talking nonsense. Example, that boy just dey cap water. That boy is just talking nonsense. Hold him side or hold aside, to be opulent. She hold her side. She don't need your money. She's rich. She's opulent. She doesn't need your money. No be small thing. E no easy. My guy, no be small thing. Dude, it's not easy. Leave story means shut up or forget it. Leave story, now so mouth you dey make. Shut up. You're just boasting. Enter one chance, to be in trouble. You don't enter one chance. You are in trouble. Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I remain baffled. See you in my next video.